In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Excel. By the end, you'll have your spreadsheet visible and usable right inside a Notion page, so you can keep your data and notes together without constantly switching tabs. Start by opening the spreadsheet you want to show in Notion. We'll create a shareable view link that Notion can display. Look for the Share button at the top of your spreadsheet window and click it. This opens the sharing settings where you control who can access the file. In the sharing panel, change the access so it's set to anyone with the link. Make sure the permission is view only. You want viewers to see the data in Notion without accidentally editing the original file. If you're working with sensitive information, double check that you're comfortable making the file available via a link. It won't be indexed publicly, but anyone who has the link can view it, so keep that in mind. Once access is set correctly, click Copy Link. This places the secure viewing link on your clipboard, and it's what Notion will use to render the spreadsheet. Now switch over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want the spreadsheet to appear. Place your cursor in the spot you want the embed to live. Type a /, then start typing embed. Notion will show the embed option in the menu as you type. If you prefer using the menu directly, you can also click the embeds option when it appears. Paste the link you just copied into the field provided, then confirm by selecting Embed Link. Notion will create an embed block and load your spreadsheet within the page. Give it a second to render. Large files can take a moment. After it appears, you can hover over the block's edges to resize it so your data is easy to read. Scroll inside the embed to confirm the sheet displays as expected. If you see an error or a blank block, go back to the spreadsheet's share settings and make sure it's still set to anyone with the link and that the permission is view only. Changing it back to restricted later will break the embed in Notion. That's it. You've connected your spreadsheet to Notion using a simple view link and the embed block. Any updates you make to the original file will show up in Notion the next time the page refreshes, keeping your workspace and your data in sync.